All right, let's take a look at an organizer for your kitchen. This is perfect. It took me about 5 minutes to assemble it together and set it up. So this will be a great gift, or if you want to organize your kitchen and you don't have enough space for your pots and pans or hanging your mints and also spoons or extra pot, you can actually set them up through here. Now this mesh is all metal and it's easy to adjust. You go adjustable on the layers. It doesn't have to be that low, but you could set it up for longer pots, shorter pots, and so forth. So there's 3 tiers: top one, second one, and the bottom one. On the bottom one, it does come with an extra mesh, so any kind of spoons or forks won't pass through the actual netting. So very simple, adjustable. Legs are included, the little fixtures on the bottom of the plastic, so it won't scrape your floors like we have here. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.